This is the Umidigi A3, an $80 phone that has nice design and excellent build. Let's take a look if it's worth your attention if you want a new phone but you have a limited budget. The phone ships with all the usual stuff, and some extras include a really nice soft TPU case. I think that design and build are the main selling points of the device. The Umidigi A3 has a 5.5-inch display that is quite nice and sharp, and it has relatively small bezels. The phone also has a metal frame, nice metal buttons, a glass backplate, dual cameras on the back, 8-megapixel shooter on the front, LED notification light, a hybrid dual SIM card slot, a headphone jack, and the micro USB port for charging and syncing. The fingerprint scanner is not really fast and it's not always accurate, but well, it does the job. The phone also has a face unlock feature that kind of works, but it's not always reliable and it's kind of slow. The loudspeaker is quite decent for a budget phone. Here is a quick audio sample. As you may expect, the Umidigi A3 does not have great specs since it's very cheap. That's why you should not expect to play any 3D games on it, unless you like playing games with stutter and skipped frames. Well, this is an $80 phone after all. Android 8.1 is the base of the user interface. There is no bloatware or many added features, so you can enjoy a stock Android experience. The overall performance, however, is kind of mediocre. I can say the phone lags all the time, but you should expect to see occasional stutter and quite a few skipped frames in the user interface. Also, the phone may start lagging if you keep a lot of apps running in the background, so you better close them. The overall image quality is surprisingly good for such a cheap device. Honestly, you can't get anything better than this for just about $80. Even selfies look quite good. Obviously, you won't be taking any nice low light or bokeh pictures with this phone, but that's expected at this price point. Even the video shot using the main and the front-facing cameras looks quite good, considering such a low price of the device. I had no issues with connectivity on this phone. The battery life is about 8 hours of screen on time under light usage. If you use the phone more intensively, you should get about 5 hours of SOT. Overall, the Umidigi A3 is quite a nice, super cheap phone. Obviously, you can't expect great specifications at this price point, and you may see a bit of stutter in the UI. The gaming performance is not great, but other than that, you get a lot of value for the price. For just about $80, you get a nice design, good build, sharp display, and even the cameras can take nice pictures in good light. Finally, the Umidigi A3 is definitely not perfect, but for the price, I think it's a great bang for the buck. As always, you'll find a product link down below the video if you're interested. What do you think about the Umidigi A3? Would you buy this phone or would you choose another super cheap device? Use the comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on social media, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.